as elections conclude in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the Parjeevi tag continues to haunt the Congress party, with fresh speculations emerging that the party is being sidelined by its own allies. Sources have told Times Now that the Congress party has reportedly demanded 4 cabinet berths in the Jharkhand government, along with the crucial deputy chief minister's post. However, there has been no final decision in this case so far, especially about the post of deputy chief minister, with sources confirming that discussions are still going on. No confirmation yet on the deputy CM's post, and the question really is that what is going to happen next as far as the Congress party is concerned. Now, amid the ongoing speculations of Congress demanding a deputy CM post in Jharkhand, Congress party has also clarified that no one has demanded anything from anyone, and all the other factors will be decided by the party high command. Listen in.
India Alliance is a united part, and we all, nobody has demanded anything, or nobody has snubbed anybody. We are all working together as colleagues in a battle for justice, and we know that Hemant Soren ji, how he was treated by the BJP through the agencies. We, India Alliance, stood with him in all his difficult times, and we all will stand together in our fight against justice.
Formula means government will be formed, with all the coalition partners, महागठबंधन के साथ, and गवर्नर साहब से मिला, हम request दे दिया. He has also given the request. All that will be decided by the party high command. We have informed the party, and our JMM leader also spoke to our leadership in Delhi and to us also. We will decide there. Our people will decide. Our party president and general secretary in charge and Rahul Gandhi ji, they will decide.
And what we have seen, viewers, that Congress party's own allies have now become quite vocal in their criticism of the grand old party. Shiv Sena UBT faction has accused the Congress MP Praniti Shinde of supporting an independent MLA and playing a role in the defeat of the Aghadi candidate in Maharashtra Assembly elections. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party has openly questioned Congress party's ability to challenge the Bharatiya Janata Party. Aam Aadmi Party further has claimed that only Arvind Kejriwal is capable of defeating the BJP.
MVA India Alliance मतलब no mission, no vision, only अपना अपना ambition, confusion, division. और अब झारखंड के हेमंत सोरेन जेएमएम ने कांग्रेस को उनकी हैसियत दिखा दी है. कांग्रेस मांगने लगी डिप्टी सीएम का पोस्ट. झारखंड के मुख्यमंत्री मिस्टर हेमंत सोरेन ने कहा, अरे भाई, कोई अरेंजमेंट में चेंज नहीं होगा, जो मिल रहा है उसी में खुश रहो. यही कांग्रेस पार्टी एक समय पर परजीवी की तरह इन एलाइज पर बोझ बन गई थी. अब एलाइज इनको बोझ को कभी ब्लेम करते हैं, कभी बोलते हैं कि जितना मिल रहा है उसमें खुश रहो, वरना जाओ यहां से. कांग्रेस को उसकी हैसियत दिखा रहे हैं. यही इनका गठबंधन है.
कांग्रेस आज एक ऐसा अलायंस पार्टनर है जो अपने सहयोगियों को पुल डाउन करता है. आप चाहे दिल्ली में देख लीजिए, जब लोकसभा चुनाव का कैंपेन चल रहा था तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने हर सीट पर प्रचार किया था, इंडिया अलायंस की हर सीट पर प्रचार किया था, चाहे कांग्रेस का कैंडिडेट हो या चाहे आम आदमी पार्टी का कैंडिडेट हो. पर ऐसा कांग्रेस नहीं करती आपको दिखेगी. ना दिल्ली में दिखी, ना महाराष्ट्र में दिखी, ना झारखंड में दिखी. अभी हाल ही में दिल्ली में मेयर चुनाव भी हुआ था, उसमें भी कांग्रेस ने ऊपर से निर्देश दिया और उनके पार्षदों ने वॉकआउट कर दिया था. इससे सीधा फायदा बीजेपी को पहुंचता.
Let's now go across to my colleague Nyamika joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Nyamika, till now it was the BJP calling Congress party Parjeevi in Indian politics. But now the kind of reactions we have got from allies of the Congress party, specifically in the INDIA bloc, it seems that even they have now started realizing how Congress has become a burden on them.
Well, indeed, the manner in which Congress party has been treated both in Jammu Kashmir as well as now the reports which have started coming in from the state of Jharkhand, that has basically created an impression upon the Congress party's image as well, because now it is the alliance partners, it is the India bloc parties who are now questioning upon the ability of the Congress party to win the elections against the BJP on its own, and that is the only reason why such kind of statement has also been given on the part of the Aam Aadmi party, as well as they are saying that in Delhi, if we talk about specifically, then the Congress party is not being able to fight directly against the BJP there, and for that reason we have seen that how even in Jharkhand the reports which have started coming in is that the Congress party had demanded 4 ministerial berth on the basis of the 4:1 formula, as the Congress party has won 16 seats in the state of Jharkhand. So on that basis they are demanding that at least 4 ministerial berths needs to be given to the grand old party. On the other side, they have also said, the sources have also said that the Congress party has demanded for the deputy chief minister position as well. However, that has been snubbed by the JMM. However, on the other side, we have also seen that how in an official announcement which is being done on the part of the Congress party's in charge after the legislative party meeting, he has said that whether it is about the position of the LOP in the state of Jharkhand, that is basically going to be decided by the central leadership, as a resolution has also been passed in the on the part of the legislative party leaders, in which it is being said that the Congress High Command is going to take the final decision. But now clearly a message is being given on the part of the other India bloc parties to the Congress that they will be needing the regional parties to fight against the BJP, as the results which are coming out in the recent assembly elections, whether it is about Jammu Kashmir or Haryana or now Jharkhand as well as in Maharashtra, now it is being proven,
Right.
and that is the reason why even the regional parties are
Right.
also putting pressure
Right.
upon the Congress party in the
All right,
upcoming days.
Niyamika, thank you for the moment for joining us with all those details. We have to